Every minute you wait to follow up with a new lead, your chances of actually closing that deal drop dramatically. And most agents are losing business simply because they respond too slowly. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use Claude AI to respond to leads almost instantly, even while you are with another client or sleeping. Speed to lead is one of the most powerful advantages any real estate agent or small business owner can have, and studies consistently show that leads contacted within the first 5 minutes are far more likely to convert. The problem is, responding that fast manually is nearly impossible when you are juggling showings, paperwork, and client calls all day. This is where Claude AI steps in as your always-on follow-up assistant, ready to craft personalized, professional responses the moment a new lead comes in. You're going to set up a simple prompt template inside Claude that does the heavy lifting for you every single time. Here's how it works. When a new lead fills out a form on your website or comes in through Zillow, Realtor.com, or your CRM, you paste their basic information directly into Claude along with your custom prompt. Within seconds, Claude generates a warm, personalized reply that sounds completely human and moves that lead toward a conversation. For example, your prompt might say something like, "You are a friendly real estate agent assistant. Write a follow-up email for a new lead named Sarah who is interested in 3-bedroom homes in Austin under $400,000 and submitted an inquiry at 10 p.m." Claude will immediately produce a polished, conversational email that acknowledges her specific search, builds rapport, and invites her to schedule a call. What makes this so powerful is that Claude does not just write a generic reply. It weaves in the specific details you provided so the lead feels genuinely seen and heard from the very first message. You can even include your tone guidelines in the prompt, whether you want the email to feel casual and friendly or polished and professional. You can take this even further by building out a full sequence inside Claude. A first contact email for when the lead arrives, a follow-up text message script for 24 hours later, and a voicemail script for day 3. With just one well-structured prompt, Claude can generate all 3 pieces at once, giving you a complete multi-touch follow-up plan in under a minute. One of the biggest wins agents share after using this workflow is that leads actually respond back saying they are impressed someone reached out so quickly, which immediately sets you apart from every other agent who emailed them 2 days later. That first impression of speed and attentiveness builds trust before you have even spoken a single word. Whether you are a solo agent, a small team, or a business owner following up on service inquiries, this exact Claude AI strategy works the same way. And it costs you almost no time to implement once your prompt template is built. You are essentially creating a response system that never sleeps, never forgets, and always sounds like the best version of you. If you want my free step-by-step guide that includes the exact Claude AI prompt templates I use for instant lead follow-up, including the email, text, and voicemail scripts. If you'd like my free guide, just comment Claude and I'll send it right to you.